final testing before shipment for the semi-automatic powder packing line solutions. And the testing material is the floor. And the testing fin weight is 500 grams. Sealing by manual, and they will finish the aluminum foil sealing. And then they will go through the labeling machine. Yes, because there's no label, so we stop this labeling. Just only the conveyor here, and it will finish the dead coating printing by the fiber printing machine. And they will enter into the file. Yeah, the aluminum foil sealing result. Yes. For the other size bottles, we have the similar size bottle. When, such as for this big one, if you use this big one, finish this big one for aluminum foil sealing machine, you can adjust its sealing heat here by this switch to adjust its heat, and the heat and between the distance of the cap of the bottle and the sealing heat, its distance is about 20 millimeters. And if you pack the smaller one, to release the heat down. Still, the distance between the cap and the heat about 20 millimeters. And for the labeling machine, for different bottles, such as the heat one, you need to yeah, you need to adjust 高度是可视的。You need to change it here. Yeah, by this switch to change here. Or if you use the smaller one, you need to make this guide like this. Just the two columns, just touch it is enough. Yeah. There are 3 switches, such as this type, this one, and here and here. Depends on your bottle. Yes. Depends on your bottle condition. You adjust them 3 and do their label. Yes. 好了。